Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where horsepower meets precision and heritage collides with innovation. Today we're not just reviewing a car, we're witnessing the rebirth of a legend, a machine that pushes the boundaries of what a modern muscle car can be. This is the 2026 Dodge Demon 3. Dodge's unapologetic response to the ever-tightening grip of emissions regulations, electrification, and industry trends that favor crossovers over coupes. That if you thought the Demon had already reached its final form, think again, because Dodge has unleashed an all-new weapon that blends heritage, engineering, brilliance, and downright brutal performance into something that will once again rewrite the rulebook. At first glance, the Demon 3 is unmistakably Dodge. The wide stance, aggressive shoulders, and bulging hood scoop remind you instantly that this is not a car for the faint of heart, but Dodge has refined the formula. The 2026 model is more aerodynamic, with subtle sculpting that channels airflow more efficiently at high speeds without compromising its intimidating presence. The front fascia wears the updated SRT split grille with integrated LED DRLs that stretch outward like demon eyes. The hood scoop, now larger and more functional than ever, feeds cool air directly into the high-output V8. Aerodynamic canards on the corners improve downforce, while the optional widebody package makes the stance even more menacing, with flared arches swallowing 18-inch drag radials. From the side, the Demon 3 keeps the classic long hood, short deck proportions, but introduces sleeker body lines and subtle creases that modernize its profile. At the rear, a new carbon fiber spoiler and quad exhaust outlets make it clear this car is engineered for both aesthetics and aggression. Paint options lean into Dodge's heritage with names like Hellfire Red, Ethanol Green, and the jaw-dropping Blackout Metallic. For those who want to stand out at Cars and Coffee, Dodge even offers a limited run in Demon Gold, a throwback to muscle car glory days. Step inside the 2026 Demon 3 and you're greeted with an interior that merges Dodge's muscle car soul with modern tech. Dodge knows this car isn't just about drag racing, it's about the experience of living with a Demon every day. On the tech front, Dodge integrates a massive 12.3-inch Uconnect 6.0 touchscreen with Demon exclusive performance pages. These allow drivers to monitor everything from real-time G-forces to intake air temperatures and launch control settings. An augmented heads-up display projects key performance stats like quarter-mile times and reaction windows directly onto the windshield. The standard cabin layout features aggressive bolstered seats wrapped in Alcantara and leather embossed with the Demon logo stitched in blood-red thread. Buyers can opt for lightweight bucket seats if they want maximum performance, or stick with comfort-oriented thrones that balance long drives with track readiness. Under the hood, the 2026 Dodge Demon 3 is powered by the final evolution of Dodge's 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, codenamed Elephant Redeye. Engineers have extracted a jaw-dropping 1100 horsepower and 950 lb-ft of torque when running on E85 fuel. On standard premium gasoline, it still cranks out a ludicrous 900 horsepower. The engine is paired with an 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission optimized for drag racing but perfectly capable of street duty. Dodge also offers a factory trans brake system, allowing drivers to preload the drivetrain for explosive launches. Performance numbers 0 to 60 in just 1.9 seconds. The quarter mile in 8.9 seconds at over 150 miles per hour, making it the quickest factory production muscle car in history. Top speed is electronically limited to 211 miles per hour, though Dodge insiders admit the car is capable of even more under the right conditions. For traction, the Demon 3 comes standard with massive 315-section drag radials in the rear and adaptive suspension tuned specifically for drag launches. The car squats under throttle, transferring weight perfectly to the rear tires. Optional carbon ceramic brakes provide the stopping power needed to rein in this beast after a full throttle run. Now let's talk numbers. Dodge plans to build just 3,300 units of the 2026 Demon 3 worldwide, each individually numbered. Base pricing starts around $125,000, but fully optioned models with carbon fiber drag packages and limited edition paint schemes could push closer to $160,000. Given the legacy of past Demon models, expect dealers to add massive markups, and enthusiasts will still pay. Why? Because the Demon 3 isn't just a car, it's a piece of history. It's the last hurrah of the internal combustion Demon, and it will go down as one of the greatest modern muscle cars ever built. The 2026 Dodge Demon 3 is Dodge's mic drop moment. A car built for those who believe driving should be felt in your chest as much as in your hands. It's outrageous, it's excessive, it's impractical, and that's exactly why it's perfect. While the rest of the industry chases efficiency, Dodge has delivered one final thunderous V8 symphony for the faithful. If you're lucky enough to own one, cherish it, because the Demon 3 is more than just horsepower. It's history in motion. Thanks for watching, and drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the latest cars shaping the automotive world.